Next lessons, we'll be discussing Excel functions. Excel has many inbuilt formulas called functions. Functions are typed by, equal to, and function name. For example, equal to sum. There are different functions in Excel. Sum, we have sum if, we have the sum ifs, we also have average, we have count, we have count if, and many other functions. In this lesson, we'll be looking at various functions and how you can apply them to solve problems. We have this data. It consists of employee ID, the employee name, their age, and gender. Also, the job title and the salary. It also has the start date and the end date. Now we are going to be performing sum if, and sum ifs, so you can understand the difference. The sum function is a built-in function in Excel. It adds numbers in a range. It is typed as equal to sum. Take note of this. The sum function adds cells in a range. It adds both negative and positive numbers. Just as explained, we're starting with the sum. Recall the lesson we did arithmetic operation, where you familiarize yourself with how to use the sum function. We're going to repeat the same thing here. In this example, we'll be adding all the salary. We'll try to get the sum of the salary. Now we have equal to sum. Remember the summation sign, which is the colon. Super simple. Sum is one of the most basic and easy to use function in Excel. In case you're wondering, you can start with sum. This little description gives what it means. It simply adds all the numbers in the range of cell. If you want to add just the first three range, you can just have it here. And there you go. Let's look at sum if.